PRAX is showing a lot of strength, an immense amount of strength at that within a longer term bullish trend. It just became bullish just with this huge gain of 239%. This is Thursday, the 16th of October, 2025. Intraday high 200.66 dollars. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, the underlying trend has now gone bullish. Before now, it was just bearish. So, everything is extended. Everything is all the moving averages are now trending. Positions opened up to 200 days ago are suddenly now strongly bullish. Not long ago, it had probably printed was okay. It wasn't a 52-week low. It dipped to the lows of around 36.81. So let's just find out what's going on. Let's find out what's behind this huge spike.
Shares of Praxis Precision Medicines, PRAX, are drawing strong market attention after the company announced positive top line results from its Phase 3 clinical trial evaluating Ulixacaltamide HCl for the treatment of essential tremor. The encouraging data has triggered a sharp pre market surge in the stock, with elevated trading volumes as momentum builds around the name. Essential tremor is one of the most common movement disorders, and despite its prevalence, the treatment landscape remains limited, creating a large unmet medical need. Ulixacaltamide's Phase 3 success is being viewed by many investors as a potential game changer in this space, significantly increasing the company's perceived value and market opportunity. On social trading forums and investor platforms, discussions are heating up around several key themes. Valuation catch up. Many retail and institutional investors argue that Praxis has been undervalued relative to its pipeline potential, and that this trial result could drive a re rating of the stock. Institutional ownership. The stock is believed to be heavily owned by institutions, which could limit the available float and potentially amplify upward price movements. Short interest and volatility. The community is also closely watching short sellers, with some traders warning that the volatility could trigger a short squeeze if momentum continues. Others are debating whether shorting a clinically validated story is too risky given the current sentiment. Pipeline optimism. Beyond essential tremor, Praxis's epilepsy programs are also being discussed as possible next catalysts, with traders eyeing upcoming milestones that could further support a bullish narrative. In short, Praxis's latest trial results have shifted market sentiment dramatically, with many seeing this as a pivotal moment for the company's trajectory. If commercial success follows clinical validation, the stock could be at the beginning of a larger revaluation cycle.
Okay. Shares floated. We have here 19.81, so it's not a tiny float. What we have here is only 7.98 million shares have crossed the tape. I'm wondering, it's just so volatile. So we can't even get a hold of you can't even get a hold of what's going on at all. So volatile. And aggression, I think, is very high. Aggression seems to be very high. Um, I mean, it's trading like a low float stock. I mean, let's just verify what we saw over there. Shares floated. Let's see. Shares floated 19.81. It's not a tiny float at all. Not a tiny float. Okay, but its volatility is so mad. You can't even see where it's trading at. It's supposed to be 19.46. It's just gonna jump now. Let's see. What want to track it down to its price 19.4 19 or 98.42. Just down here. Let's see what I will be able to get. See what I mean. It's so volatile. It is so volatile. You can't get a hold of it. I mean, it's it's so volatile like a penny stock. I mean, look at the volumes, it's so tiny. So yeah, 7.98 million shares. Well, yeah, well, caution is warranted. To be honest, I have to say, Yeah, upper projection, nothing to the upside. 698.83 is a downward projection. Um, yeah, okay. What we can do is just project higher prices. That's what we have to do now. Um, do we try and see if we can find any on the 1 minute chart? Let's see. Let's see whether we can find more upper projections here on the 1 minute chart. Yeah, we have 2.2228.02, 244.59, 258.84. Yeah, okay, let's see what we have down here on the 2 minute chart. Okay, down projection 184.51. Let's see what we have here. 215.84, 239.08, 253.44. 3 minute chart. Let's see. The way it's going, it might blow through $250. Yeah. 215.84, 239.08, 253.44. 253 is a recurring projection. This is the 5 minute chart. Let's see what we have. 60.21. Okay, let's have a look at the 10 minute chart. Okay, nothing. Yeah, so 253 is our best bet. Yeah, $253. We've not had a look at the 4 hour chart. You never know, you may have some projections here. Yeah, okay, nothing like that. So higher prices are expected to keep playing out up till I think up till Monday the 20, Monday the Monday is what? Monday the 9th, Monday the 20th. Yeah, but you can't bank on that. Yeah, Monday the 20th. Then after that, some contraction may kick in. Yeah, so crazy right now. You can see that intraday high has extended, but we could still try and calculate ours. 201 minus 154. I think we might get even more. Yeah, we have the spread between the top of the top and bottom of this candle is 46.49. 6.49. So we multiply that by 1.61 a Fibonacci extension. We have yeah, you see what I mean? We're going to get 199.35. We're going to get 274. So we are even way beyond what we saw on those single digit minute charts. Yeah, we have 274.53. Okay, so 46.49 multiplied by 2.618 Fibonacci extension level. We have 121, add that to 198.56. We have 320.27. 320.27. You can't, don't bank on that at all. Don't bank on that. Okay, there, one more time 46.49 multiplied by 3.618 Fibonacci extension level. We have 168.2. We'll add that to 198.73. We have 366.93. Yeah, don't bank on that. Don't bank on that at all. We have 274.53, 320.27, 366.93 on the from the algos on this on trading view projections went as high as 253. Well, okay, just have a look. And before we go, we have here on the daily chart is saying you can see this is the extrapolation of its 3 day moving average. This tiny line here. So it's currently at 102.55. So that's a possible mean reversion price. Yeah. So that's where it has its closest support. Okay, just see what you make of PRAX, and thank you very much for watching this video.